వెల్కమ్ టు హర్షిత్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఏపీ మరియు తెలంగాణలో బెస్ట్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్గా ప్రజెంట్ హర్షిత్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అవుతుంది. అలానే మంచి మొబైల్ యాప్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కి హర్షిత్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్, దీంట్లో ఫ్రీగా అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి, చూసుకోండి.
Welcome to Harshit Institute. Today we are going to discuss about the most important events regarding our current affairs. The current affairs part is very important in our examination point of view. So we have to discuss the recent issues, the most important recent issues now we are going to be discuss. The first one is World Bank Group approves US dollars 400 million for SNGRBP. SNGRBP. This is the most important SNGRBP. Here, the last week, the Board of Executive Directors of the World Bank Group has approved a loan of US dollars 400 million for the rejuvenation of the Ganga River under the Nawami Ganga program. So here we have to remember this one. This is the second time project. The first time the US dollars here. This is the first one. They are already in 2015. In 2015, they gave some amount. They gave some amount for the Nawami Ganga project. The project is based on US dollars. The USA is giving some support to clean the Ganga river. So this is the most important issue. Now they declared how much they declare $400 million. $400 million now they declare to give this improvement to improve the Ganga river. The project name is SNGRBP. SNGRBP. So here US $400 million for the second national river Ganga basin project. This is the amount recently they were released. This is the first time. And 2015 is the first project. First project is in 2015. Now 2020 in July 1st they released 400 millions for the Ganga basin project. So this is the most important event recently it was happened. We know very well World Bank Group. World Bank Group means, so in this World Bank, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, IBRD. We know very well IBRD, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Through this department, they are provided $400 million to this project. Next, the second one is unemployment rate fell to 10.9% in June from 23.5% in May 2020. Here, three data we have to remember. First one is April, May and June. Actually, month of April, the unemployment rate is very high. That is, if you are observing here, in May month, 23.48%. At the same time, month of April, 23.52. Whatever it may be, just you have to remember that one. In month of April and month of May, these two months, unemployment rate in India is very high. Now it was decreased. Now in June month, the unemployment rate is 10.9% only. 10.9% only. So employment was improved, and at the same time unemployment was reduced. But the highest unemployment rate in our India in 2020, April month is the highest unemployment rate is there. That is also we have to remember. So this is also one important issue. Recently it was done. Another one is Defense Ministry approves purchase of 33 new fighter jets and upgradation of existing 59 MiG-29 aircrafts. So the Ministry of Defense already approved to give the sum of amount for the 33 new fighter aircrafts. So the proposal to acquire 33 new fighter aircraft was approved by the Ministry of Defense on 2nd July 2020. This will help the Indian Air Force addressing the long fleet need for increasing its fighter squadrons. Here, this is the important issue. How much they are spending for this one? You have to, this is the most important, 33 new flights, 33 new fighters, and they are spending nearly 18,148 crores, 18,148 crores for this MiG flights, MiG fighter jets, and at the same time Sukhoi. Next one is 17 days for the Lagao and Paryavaran Bachao. That means here plant trees and save environment, plant trees and save environment. Here the mega tree plantation drive has been announced by the Delhi government. It was the Delhi government. The Delhi government recently announced that it is a mega tree plantation program. It is a mega tree plantation program recently launched. Recently means 2nd July. That is plant trees, save environment. The program name is plant trees and save environment. Here, objectives of the campaign. In the last few years, the national capital has recorded a high level of air pollution. We know very well, but in the last few years, the highest pollution is located in Delhi only, in our capital only. So, in the last few years, the national capital has recorded a high level of air pollution. The campaign is to reduce air pollution by increasing the green cover in and across New Delhi. They want to increase the plantation. That's why they are proposing, they are doing one campaign. That is, this campaign is very, very important. The campaign name is Plant Trees Save Environment Program. It is going on in Delhi only. Next one is significant decline in a trade deficit in the China from 53.56 billion in 2019 to 48.66 billion in 2019 to 20. Tensions escalated at the border between India and the China from the last week of April 2020. We know very well. From the last few weeks, it is the conflict is going on. The little bit of war is going on in between, not a direct war. It is already in June 15th. What was happened, we know very well, near the Doklan. The Doklan already, our soldiers, nearly 20 soldiers were died, and more than 40 soldiers were died in the border of China. So Chinese soldiers near around 40. They were also killed. They also died because of that one only. And before also, we took one decision. Already we banned 59 apps. 59 apps already we banned. That is Chinese apps. That is the main one is TikTok. And the TikTok and Cam Scanner and so many things are there. So many apps are there. We are all banned these kinds of apps. So whatever it may be, we are getting loss. We got the loss 53.56 billion in 2018-19. Now the 48.66 billion in 2019 and 20. This is the significant decline in the trade deficit. With China. That is the important matter. We have to remember this one. This is also important issue recording. Next, unique urban forest inaugurated at the office of COG in New Delhi. Keeping in mind its community responsibilities toward the increasing cause of concern from the degrading air quality index, AQI means air quality index. AQI means air quality index. in the national capital over the years. An urban forest will be established in the office park of the Controller and Auditor General for Controller and Auditor General for India at New Delhi. So in India, in New Delhi, recently it was launched. Recently it was launched. Why they are launched this one? To reduce the air pollution. This is also recently it was happened. So, okay. The urban park was inaugurated on 2nd July 2020 by the Prakash Javadekar. Prakash Javadekar, Union Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change. His name is also very, very important. Prakash Javadekar. Prakash Javadekar is the Union Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Next one is, next important issue, 9 lakh household provided FHTC under Jal Jeevan Mission during lockdown. During the first quarter, April 2020 to June 2020 of the year, that is the financial year 2020-21, despite a nationwide lockdown and restriction on the movement of the people due to the COVID-19 pandemic, 19 lakh households in the rural areas across the country were provided with tap water connection. That is the Jal Jeevan Mission. That is the Jal Jeevan Mission. What is the importance of Jal Jeevan Mission? The Jal Jeevan Mission is the government has to provide the water facilities to the people. 9 lakh households in the pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic period. Next one is Jaidus Healthcare's COVID-19 vaccine gets DCGI approval for the human clinical trials. On 2nd July 2020, the Drug Control General of India, DCGI means Drug Controller General of India, has given approval for a human clinical trials to Ahmedabad-based Cadila Healthcare Limited. Cadila Healthcare Limited is located in Ahmedabad. So they are given a permission for the human trials. So recently it was happened on 2nd July 2020. The Drug Control General of India, DCGI, has given approval to the human clinical trials. So they got the permission to do the human clinical trials. Next one is Intercapital Invest for RS 1,894.5 crores in Geo platforms. United States based Intel Corporation. It is very, very famous. We know very well. Intel Corporation investment arm Intel Capital will invest 1,894.5 crores in Reliance Industries Limited. Reliance Industries Limited's subsidiary company to Geo platform. So the United based company, what is the United based company? Geo, this is the Intel Corporation. Intel Corporation is decided to take the one partnership in the Reliance company also. So recently these are the most important events or happened. So these are the in our current affairs. These are the most important points we have to remember all these things. Okay. Thank you very much.